I use for Black Russian Terrier. It's Christensen, and it's 2 Extreme Cool Dry. It has very convenient varieties because you can make extremely low or extremely high, and then you will be able to control when you do the hair dryer for the hair on the head or it's a body. That's why you're making less when you do the beard and hair on the head, and when you go into the body you can put on a full high to make it faster. I love this blower. I have a lot of them, actually, different models. This is my favorite, and I use this in a facility which we built for the Black Russian specifically. It's kind of shower for the dogs. We have all those stations and different conditioner, shampoo, or varieties. It's a million different things. Maybe one day I will just go through all of them and just show what we use. But I would recommend it to do for, if you're planning to get the Black Russian, it's a good idea to make it special place where you're gonna shower your dogs, to avoid all the mess which you can have in your own personal shower, and then it's just so difficult to handle it. And this is how it looks like, because a lot of people asking me to show what is that and how is that. It's just my laundry room, and we put additionally this station just to have a convenience to wash them, and have the towels here and the stations, and it's easy. And over there we have the hair catcher right there, because we have tools will catch the hair from them and just to dispose to the garbage.